me call my name. Through the mountains, through the fire, through the ashes of the flame. We were born beneath the storm. We were raised to never run. Even when the darkness came, we kept walking toward the sun. Through valleys covered in rain, carrying memories, carrying pain. Every scar has a story to tell. Every battle taught me to stand. I heard the thunder shake the ground, felt the heartbeat of the ones before. They said, son, don't turn around. Your destiny is calling once more. The road was cold, the night was long, but something kept me moving on. When I was weak, when I was lost, I remembered everything we fought. Hear the drums beneath the sky, feel the fire coming alive. From the darkness we arise, no more fear. Shadows of the past moving like ghosts across the land. Every dream they couldn't reach now is burning in our hands. We don't need a crown of gold, we don't need a throne of stone. All we need is one another and the courage to move on. When the night becomes too heavy, when the road begins to fade, I'll remember those who stood here and the sacrifices that they made. Hear the drums beneath the sky, feel the fire coming alive. Raise your voice and raise it high. Tonight we leave all fear behind. We are the echoes of the fallen, voices rising through the storm. From the ashes we awaken, stronger than we were before. Let the mountains hear our calling, let the thunder know our name. We may fall, but we keep fighting. We will rise again. We remember, we remember those who walked before us, those who gave us light. Their voices live forever in every heart that fights. We remember, no matter how dark the sky, no matter how far we fall, their echoes will remind us we were never alone. We are the echoes of the fallen, rising higher through the storm. From the ashes we thunder shake the ground.